Hello students, today I am going to explain you a very important lesson of grammar, direct and indirect speech, which is also known as reporter speech or narrated speech. So narration means the act of reporting the words of the speaker. So it has got two ways, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech in which actual words are quoted and it is enclosed in inverted commas. I've given you example. She said to me, I am playing. So here you see, said is a reporting verb. She is the subject and me is the object. And I am playing is the present continuous. So am playing is the present continuous and that is direct speech. And now in indirect speech you see, actual words are transformed and it is not enclosed in inverted commas. Example, here, she told me. So, said to becomes told in indirect speech. She told me that. We put the conjunction that, and then I becomes she. She was playing. So, am becomes was in past tense. So, past continuous would be that she was playing. To convert direct to indirect speech, we have to consider three concepts. Again, the first one, to identify subject and object. Subject means doer of the action and object is the receiver of the action. Then second, tenses. We have to identify the tense, whether it's in present or past or future. Then we have the three personal pronouns. First person, I, that changes according to subject. Second person, it can be you and it changes according to object. And third person, which is she, does not change. So we have the chart of personal pronouns that I have given you. First person, I, we, me, us, hers, our, ours, my, mine. Second person, you have you, your, our, yours. Third person, he, his, him, her, she, they, it, its. These are the words that come in first person, second person, and third person. So here we'll follow 6 steps to convert direct speech to indirect speech. First, we'll identify subject and object. Second, the reporting verb will be changed. Said to will become told. Said will remain unchanged. That will remain said only. Say to will become tell. Says to become tells. Third step, we'll replace the inverted commas with that conjunction. Fourth, change of pronoun. First person will change according to subject. Second person will change according to object. And third person will not change. And so we have the acronym SON, son. Fifth step, there will be change of tense. I'm going to explain in detail in my next, means the coming slide. And sixth step is update time specific words. So here we come to tense denotes at which time the action has been performed. And students, you have to note that change of tense will take place only when reporting verb is in past tense. So here we see the present tense sentence will change to simple past, present continuous to past continuous, present perfect to past perfect, present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous, simple past to past perfect, and past continuous to past perfect continuous. Now you have to note that past perfect and past perfect continuous sentence remain unchanged. Examples I have given you. In direct speech, if it is he said, the flood had destroyed their fields. So in indirect speech it would be he said that the flood had destroyed their fields. The change is only that inverted commas have been removed and the conjunction has been introduced. Yes, the conjunction that has been introduced here. And second example, direct speech, he said Rana had been dancing. So in direct speech, again, he said that Rana had been dancing. the words will come as it is, only that will be replaced. The tense of given sentence changes as follows. Do does becomes did to had done, will do to would do, am or is to was, are to were, was were to had been, can to could, must to must had to, may becomes might, shall to should, have or has done becomes had done, will have been doing will become would have been doing, and this words you have to remember, and that will come with practice. Now sixth step, update time specific words. It would be here becomes there, this to that, these to those, now to then, ago to before, come will become go, today to that day or the same day, tonight to that night, last night becomes the previous night, yesterday the previous day or the day before, next week the following week. Now I have given examples here. Direct speech sentence. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. Now you will identify subject, which is she, and said is the reporting verb, said to, and me is the object here, and I is the first person, am playing is the present continuous tense, and you is the second person, and here now is the time specific word which will be changed. Second step, change of reporting verb. So said to becomes told. Third step, replace inverted commas with that. Fourth, change of pronoun. So here first person I will change to she, and that change takes place according to the subject, and second person you becomes according to object, changes take place, so it becomes me. Then next, which is the fifth step, becomes is change of tense. Here am playing will become was playing, past continuous tense, and change of time specific words, it is here now, and that changes to then. So here indirect speech sentence becomes she told me that she was playing football with me then. It's clear, students? I've given you one more example. Direct speech sentence. They said we will plan for a picnic tomorrow. So we'll identify first of all subject, which is they, and reporting verb is said, and there is no object here. Now we'll see we is the first person, will plan, that will be simple future, and the tomorrow is the time specific word which will be changed. Now third step, change of RV. There will be no change because it is only said. Then replace converted commas with that conjunction, so it becomes say, they said that. Then change of pronoun, we becomes they. Then change of tense, will becomes would. Time specific word tomorrow will be the next day or the following day. So your indirect speech sentence would be they said that they would plan for a picnic the next day or the following day. So one last example I've given you. Direct speech sentence is he says to me I am running. So you will identify subject here, which is he. Says is the reporting verb, and me is the object here. I is the first person, and I am running is the present continuous tense. Now change of RV, that is reporting verb here. Says to becomes tells. Then you replace inverted commas with that. So it becomes he tells that. Now fourth step, change the pronoun. So I becomes he, though I changes according to subject. Now fifth step, change of tense. Am running will be key, that is present continuous becomes past continuous was running, and time specific word is not there. So our indirect speech sentence would be he tells me that he was running. So students, I hope it's all very clear to you. So I have given you assignment number 14, where you have to transform the following sentences from direct to indirect speech. These are the direct speech sentences given to you, you will change to indirect speech, and in this indirect speech sentence are given to you sentences, and you will change it to direct speech. So students, do it very carefully, sincerely and diligently. Thank you.